Selamat datang ke Kuala Lipis. Okay, this is my stay for tonight. U Design Hotel in Kuala Lipis. Okay, it's near the roundabout of Selamat Datang. Welcome to Kuala Lipis. There's Watson, there's 7-Eleven. Okay, there's fast food, but I'm gonna eat something special tonight. Okay, I'm gonna eat the local dish, which is the ikan patin tempoyak, right at Azmi. Okay, let's freshen up and then rest a bit, and then we go out to eat dinner. Okay guys, room tour paling sempoi. Okay, duduk hotel budget kat Kuala Lipis. So tu barang saya, right? Katil, almari, aircon. Okay, very small. Guys, it's enough for me. Just one night. Okay, tandas ni memang luas. Right, tandas luas. Okay, so ada rain shower. Okay, tandas luas. Alright, jom berehat. Kita nak pergi makan malam. Alright.